Today I will be showing you how to add music to card. To begin, click on Add Elements. This will open the list of elements you can include in your card. Next, select the Music option. This element allows you to add background music or an audio link to your card. After choosing Music, paste the URL of the music you want to use into the provided field. Make sure the link works properly so the audio can play without issues. Once the music is added, you can adjust the appearance and placement to fit your card's overall design. You may also check any available settings to control how the music behaves. When everything looks good, click Done to save your changes. And that's how you add music to card. Thank you for watching.